Hey, what's up everyone? I wanted to make a quick video here on a really cool website called www.zooniverse.org, or just Zooniverse. Anyways, there's a lot of cool options here. It's an interactive site, but I wanted to show you my favorite, which is Planet Hunter Test. Join the search for undiscovered worlds. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and click that. Also, it's free to register. Everything's free on here. It's really fun, really cool, and I really think if you're into this kind of thing, you should check it out. So let's get started. Join the search for undiscovered worlds. So here you see this. Okay, so let me just give you the quick tutorial here. You're going to hit tutorial, find new worlds. Welcome to Planet Hunter's Test. This short tutorial will teach you how to search for extrasolar planets and observations from NASA's TESS Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite mission. Transits. As a planet passes in front of or transits its parent star, it blocks out a small amount of the star's light. You're looking for several points on the light curve that appear lower than the rest. Okay, so this right here, this is a light curve. Okay, marking a transit. Transits will be a few low points, usually in a U-shape spanning a few hours to about a day. Mark each transit you see by clicking to the left of it to make the transit box appear. Transits. Depending on how far the planet is from the star and how many planets are in the system, you may see one or many transits in the star's light curve. Mark each transit you see. Dive in. You are ready to join the search. If you need help while classifying, the Field Guide tab on the right has examples of planet transits and other phenomena you'll encounter in TESS light curves. Good luck. So this is a newer version, and the old version you could see what type of star you were looking at, and I haven't been able to find any of that information, which is kind of a bummer. But if you go right over here to this little icon here, it's going to give you kind of a basic rundown of what this is. Sector 5, magnitude 9.84, temperature in Kelvin 6040, radius solar is 1.253. Okay, so you got that. That's cool. But let me show you what you're looking for here real quick. So you're going to want to take you're going to click the left button on your mouse, and this is what you're looking for, these little dips right here. Okay, so you want to mark your transit, mark your transit, mark your transit, and you get the point. There's probably other ones in there. So you can do done and talk. Okay, so what this does is you can basically talk about this, ask questions about it, and maybe people have a better knowledge than you do about it, or whatever. So let's hit back, and when you're done doing that, you just hit done. And there weren't that many transits in there. These look like possible transits. So go ahead, left click, and just draw it out. Just like that. Real simple, real cool. So, you know, it might seem kind of boring, but it's not. You're actually helping. They will go through these and look at them, and a lot of the time they'll even let you know that, yeah, you discovered a planet transit, which is cool. That means you discovered an exoplanet. So go to done, you're done. It takes you to the next one. You got your field guide. So you can also, where is that? No, that's not it. There's a way to click on the image, and I don't know where that is. Oh, we could go to your collection. Maybe, I think that might do it. So here's a collection. Well, these are other people's collections actually, but let's go ahead and look at that. So let's look at this one. Looks cool. And here we go. So here's this. Still doesn't tell you anything, but you got all these little, you know, people are talking. This says eclipsing binary, which I did find an eclipsing binary once. It's a uh, 2-star system, double star system, binary, and that was cool. And they contacted me and said, hey, you found a binary star system, so that was exciting. So yeah, really neat stuff. Also, let's go back to this. This kind of gives you an idea of what's going on. The archive here of the test satellite. So really neat. Go through this, check everything out. You know, it tells you everything about it. Really cool, really fun. So let's close out of this, go back. So yeah, that's pretty much that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you some more projects just real fast, just so you know what you're getting into here. So let's see, Cosmic, classify surface features on Mars. I mean, how cool is that? I haven't even done this one yet. This is new, I think. But you got all these cool photos of Mars. Spiders, devil fields, Swiss cheese terrain, like really, really fun. Okay, learn more. It's gonna tell you everything that you're working with. So, label Swiss cheese terrain. So you're gonna have, this is your Swiss cheese right here. That's what it looks like, although it's not really Swiss cheese, just so you know. And you just continue, and it's going to tell you everything you need to know on how to do it and what to look for. So really, really fun, interactive, cool stuff. Let's go back. There was one where you could watch chimpanzees in the Congo, which I thought was really fun and cool. And it was a live game video. You'd see people walking by, changing the video camera. You'd see elephants, of course, chimpanzees. I mean, there's just so much. You have so much to work with here. Rainforest, candid camera. Look at this. Identify New York wildlife to create thriving forest. I mean, really cool stuff. And you're actually helping scientists with all of this. So you can watch orangutans. I mean, it's just really cool. Hours of entertainment, if that's something you're into. Galaxy Zoo, help identify the internal structure of galaxies. Awesome. More Mars stuff. Help explore Mars by discovering networks of polygonal ridges. Super cool. Radio Meteor Zoo, help us identify meteors and radio data. So anyways, there you go. It is free to register. So if that's something you're interested in doing, I highly suggest getting involved. All right, guys, thank you so much. If you like this video at all, I will leave a link for this. Please, leave a comment if you want to learn more about anything. Subscribe, tap the bell button so you can stay up to date with my new videos. All right, guys, have a great day.